Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to fix unfortunately Google Chrome has stopped in your Android mobile as. Let's go into a video. First go to settings. In this about phone is there. Click the about phone and you can see the storage option is there. Click the storage option. This one, click it. And you can see the fourth option, cache data is there. You want to clear this cache data, click this and click the clear cache data pop-up menu will be appear like this. Click OK. After clicking this, you want to go to cleaner, the last option. Go to cleaner and it is cleaning right now. It consists of 1.24 GB. You want to clean up this thing. After clean up, go back and go back and here slightly scroll down and go to apps. Here you can see apps is there. Click the apps, go to manage apps. You can see the third option, Chrome is there. Click it and click the clear data option, the last bottom right corner. You can see now this one. Click it. Once you click this pop-up menu will be appear. You want to clear cache, click OK. Yes, it's clear right now. So this is how to fix the unfortunately Google Chrome has stopped error in your Android mobile. So thanks for watching. For more videos stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.